Today we are making watermelon agua fresca. I want to hear from you. What is your favorite summer drink? Watermelon agua fresca is one of my tops, and here it is. So you want to make sure you check this recipe out. It is so good, refreshing, and it takes 5 minutes to make it. Come on, you guys, let's do this. I know you want to come over and have some of this. Okay, yes, I bought the world's biggest watermelon because I just couldn't help myself. We're gonna use 4 cups of this to make the agua fresca. The rest is going in the fridge for a snack. You know that watermelon's good for you. Very hydrating, low in calories, high in antioxidants, high in vitamin C, high in lycopene. This stuff is amazing. You wanna make sure you have a lot of watermelon around your house this summer. Okay, let's get this thing cut up. I cut the 2 ends so we give it a base, which is super important because you don't want it rolling around. Now we're gonna cut off the sides and we're gonna get this watermelon ready. So you're just gonna cut down the edges. This is why knife skills are super important. You wanna have your thumb here and your forefinger kind of curved around. You really, when you're cutting the watermelon, you want to get this part right here and then go down, right? That's the goal. So now I'm just gonna cut down the middle because I am gonna eat some of this. So I like to cut my watermelon a very specific way. Okay, so first step is I'm gonna make sure all of my stuff is prepped. And really this recipe is so easy because we're basically dealing with watermelon and lime. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna cube up this watermelon before I drop it into the blender. You need about 4 cups of fresh watermelon. So here we go. Over to the blender. The first step in making the watermelon agua fresca, I like to do it like this, is I'd make sure I have all my stuff out. I've got my pitcher, my stir, my ice, the lime, the watermelon, my pretty glasses, the fresh mint, and the sparkling water. And I've got my little juicer here, and you want a strainer because you're gonna strain the watermelon juice through there, and you want a bottle opener if you need it for your sparkling water. I like to put the ice in first. So just gonna get some ice at the bottom of the pitcher. I'm taking 4 cups of cubed watermelon. I'm gonna put this in my blender. Make sure you have a strainer close by because once we blend this, we're gonna strain it. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice. I've got the juice of 2 limes. You could do more or less, whatever makes you happy. So there's the juice. Oh yeah. It's really easy and fast to make. If you're needing to make something fancy and fun for your friends, maybe they pop over really quick for a refreshing beverage, you can throw this together. Everybody's got lime in the house, and in the summertime, most people have watermelon. So we have the watermelon in here, we have the lime juice. Next step, you're just gonna blend. So easy. Use your tamper and just press it down. And there it goes, baby. I would blend it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, I'm excited, woo! Okay, all right, we got the watermelon. Whew, goodness knows it is definitely blended. You want a strainer for this next step. You're just gonna pour it into your glass pitcher and you wanna strain this, okay? And just give it a minute to kinda get down there. All right, so there you go. I'm gonna use the extra. I'm just gonna put it in a cup here and set it aside. Can't waste, I just can't waste. All right, so now I'm just gonna add the sparkling water. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm doing 2 bottles of it. You can do any kind of brand, anything you want, obviously. Okay, so here goes. And there you go, just add sparkling water. We're gonna give it a little stir and it is going to be amazing. Look at all that. All right, let me just give it a little stir. Oh, wow. Look at these bubbles. I love bubbles. Okay, it's gorgeous. All right, just the rest of that sparkling water. And there we go. So I'm just gonna get that in the beautiful, pretty glass. Okay, and there you go. My delicious, simple and easy watermelon agua fresca. I hope you check it out. Make sure you like, save, share, and remember you are deeply loved by God.